Okay, what we're going to be doing in this video is we're actually going to go and register your domain name for your website. Okay, so this will be the business name and an area if you can. So the place I would recommend for doing this is come across to a website called Namecheap. Again, the links will be below. As you can see, I've already got my account now. And when you land on here, you can search for your domain name. So for what I'm going to be using in this video, it's going to be a makeup artist website. So the domain name I'm going to have a look for is makeup artist. Then put in your top level. It could be .com, .co.uk, whatever. I would stick with those two. Some people I know use .org, but doesn't really work. As you can see, makeupartist.net. A little bit out of my price range, same as the makeupartist.com. However, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in a location sort of keyword into here. So I'm based up in Gateshead. So makeup artist Gateshead, and as you can see, that's available. So that's going to be good for sort of local people finding it and looking for your service. So I'm going to go for that one. It's £5.50 a year, so it's not expensive. We add that to cart, view item, and then basically one down, checkout, confirm order. It's going to ask me to sign in, so it will ask me to sign into my account. Okay, so $6.88. Let's have a look. You can come in here, change your registrant contact details. It'll ask you to do all this as you go through. And we're going to go pay now. Let's give it a moment for the order to go through. There we go. What's next? Search again. You can buy as many of these as you wish. Okay, and after you've done that, you'll hit this page here, and as you can see, there's a tab here for manage. Now we're going to leave this page open, and we're going to come back to this in a moment in the next video.